cool little mod. It's actually pretty sturdy. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have an install in the E36 white drift car. One more step into going full race car with this thing. So a while back I installed the Condor Speed Shop polycarbonate front windows. I just left the passenger one in right now. I don't really use them a whole lot because it's kind of a drift car and I keep it in the shop, so it's not really getting rained on. But today we are going to remove some weight from the car and pull out these quarter glass windows. These little guys over here is what we're going to be replacing them with. Now these are the Condor Speed Shop polycarbonate rear quarter glass replacements. And what's cool about these, the protective film is laser etched, I think, where they just barely cut a little bit of the protective film and they do an outline. So you can go ahead and take some black spray paint and spray paint the outline of the windows. So that way it looks kind of like the OEM one in a sense, with this little black outline that they have going around the window. I want to give a huge shout out to Condor Speed Shop for sending these windows out to me. Make sure you go check out their YouTube channel along with their Instagram page and their website. Make sure to use my code JDRIVE to get yourself 5% off on their website for all your E36 parts. Now I am going to be doing a video for Condor for their channel on how to install these windows. I've never done it, so I have to do a little bit of figuring out. So what I usually end up doing was going on this side here and kind of figuring out how to take them out and install them. What's nice about these is that they do have this little piece that opens the window just a little bit, and I believe there's some nuts and bolts or something back here maybe, and the window might be able to come out. Did a little research online. Gonna go ahead and figure out how to take it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through it on my video and kind of how my experience is with it. If you look in these two little slots right there, and there's one right, I believe it's that one too. There are two 10mm nuts. I'm gonna go take those out, and I believe the window should actually be able to pop out, but I will have to go ahead and pop out this weird little thing right here, the little pivot that I have going on. I think you just slide something out of that. I think it's a little ball or socket. I'll figure it out. Oh boys, I figured it out. Got the window hanging. It was literally just those two 10mm nuts. Sucker just came right out, and then still stuck in this little arm. Figured out if you just take those two, see those little two gold nuts off in the back right there. I believe they're little 8mm. Buzz those off. Sucker's free. This little piece of glass is actually really cool. I kind of want to hang it up on the wall somewhere or something, or like in the office. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but we got a couple little, this one is the GTR. When I went up to the JR boys, they signed it and stuff. And this one is the Kim Block Cosworth. He signed it up there. He signed it in black, you can barely see it, but just kind of two cool little pieces to the shop. Thought it kind of adds a nice little taste to the lobby. Hoping to get more stuff like that, kind of put it up on the walls in here and also in here and in the bathroom. Be kind of fun. Next order of business, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. This obviously haven't been cleaned ever in the lifetime of the car. Okay, little change of plans. I think Condor Speed Shop sent me the wrong ones. I think they sent me the E46 ones because these were not fitting. Like the whole shape was off. So I shot them an email. We'll get situated to get the quarter glass in at some point, but now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rear glass. This is one I'm dreading because I've had one experience trying to take out a windshield. I mean, granted, it's the back windshield. I tried to take out the windshield in my S14. That didn't go over so well. I know this is tempered glass in the back, not laminated, so it will shatter if I get too aggressive with it. And that's what we're trying to avoid. I'm gonna look up online and see what the best way to do this is. But I do have a polycarbonate rear windshield for this thing, which will be absolutely sick. Carlos at Condor Speed Shop said to make two straps to, like, I'm not sure if you want straps like this or straps like this, like two pieces of aluminums that rivet to the top and the bottom just to add structural rigidity to it, because obviously polycarbonate is pretty flexible, especially at high speeds. I'm gonna go and see what I can do with this rear windshield. Alright, little update on the polycarbonate rear windshield. I got it out. It wasn't actually too bad. It just took me forever to do it though. I'd go along and like cut it out and like use this little cable thing and like I don't want to get into it. It was a pain. I used this little tool that I had from Harbor Freight, the little knife cutting thing, and also use this cable thing where you pretty much feed the cable through, tie one into it, and you kind of saw it back and forth, and it kind of cuts it. That was pretty effective. It'd been a little easier with two people though. I had to swing by Home Depot to pick up this long piece of aluminum right here. Like I said, because Condor wants two aluminum straps running somewhere on the rear windshield. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it. Thinking about just using these rivet holes. I don't know. I'm not very good at fabricating all this stuff, but I did end up painting this black little line.
killing it, man.
Alrighty, just wrapped up the rear windshield on the E36. It's taken me some time kind of figuring out how to do it. It came out okay. I did end up putting the 2 aluminum straps in the middle, one here, one there. The black paint got a little bit scuffed up and had to touch it up, and it looks a little bit bad in some places. This third brake light, you could not sit these 2 holes down because the third brake light was in the way. I just kind of made it work, pushed these 2 down on the side. Like I said, I'm not really going to drive this out in the rain a whole lot. Cool little mod. It's actually pretty sturdy, especially with these aluminum rods. I bent them just a little bit so they're up against the polycarbonate. Make sure to check out the Condor Speed Shop video. I'm not quite sure when he's going to post that video up. I'll put a link of the channel in the description if you want to check them out. The boys just came over. We're going to do something fun tonight. I'll bring you guys along with us. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do yet, but it's going to be fun.